What are the drawbacks you see in the current commerce education?
Do you think this SAP FICO is in CA or MBA syllabus or bcom syllabus even in 2025? That shows that the commerce education is lacking the upgradation of the syllabus for the past 55 years.
So what's the solution here?
The solution here is, see, if you keep on complaining about the situation and system, nobody is going to save you.
CA takes longer time, hence you don't recommend?
CA takes longer time is a myth. The students are saying we passed BBA in one day batting. I said, wow, excellent, very good answer. What did you do for balance 364 days? When he goes to the interviews, he has to stand with 3,000 people for walk-in drives. Do you know what is the campus placement ratio abroad?
No, I have no clue.
Some guess?
10%?
0%. Then who is at stake? Colleges are happy, management is happy. Ultimately, who is suffering?
Student and poor parents.
Should not happen in our classes.